Ay, 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 that didn't work at all. Oh, man. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Business Every Day. Today we are working on a house sign. I came up with this design and then added some numbers, added some letters, and came up with this. Potentially it can be mounted to a mailbox or right next to a door, but this house sign. And I am pretty thrilled on how it turned out. Now, as you probably just saw, we had some misfortune along the way. But overall, as a test piece, I think this is pretty exciting on how we got the two-tone colors, and I think this could potentially be something that I make a lot more of in the future. This project had a lot of ups and downs in figuring out how we were going to do things, but I am pretty stoked with how everything turned out. So why don't we jump right on in, and I'll show you how I built this house sign. I'm going to go with a sun bleach stain this time for this piece of wood, and I am excited to see how this is actually going to turn out, because I'm going to do the outside of this sign with the sun bleach stain, and then I'm going to do the numbers themselves in black, and that contrast should really stand out. At least I think so. Just wiping with the grain so we don't get too crazy here. It almost looks a little gray. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, so you see this piece here. What we're going to do is engrave it first. We're going to use a 60-degree V-bit. We're going to use, we're going to start with the letters and numbers first, and then we'll cut the outline. And then we'll flip it, and then we'll use the V-bit again, and then we'll do the outline. I think that'll be the best option. At least I think so. We'll find out. Just double checking my measurements, making sure that my clamps aren't going to get in the way, which I don't think they will. Let's give this thing a try. Make sure the right collet is in place. Ooh, just touched it. Nice, look at it. All right, now that we've cut out one side, the plan, I think, is going to be swap bits. And then once I swap bits, I'm going to actually do the full cutout. There we go. And then once I do the cutout, then I'll flip it over, and we'll cut out the letters and numbers again. Ay, 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 that didn't work at all. Oh, man. Okay. Here's the thing. In the CNC business, it happens. Mistakes, issues, things unpredicted. I don't know what happened here. I said use the same 0 as last time, but that works. It does work, but for whatever reason this time it didn't, and now I need to start again. I actually think I'm going to cut this one out and just see if one side is salvageable. Maybe I can glue another side onto it. I don't know yet, but no! Just give me a moment. Let me reorient myself and then I'll get back to it. Not bad if I do say so myself. Look at it. So, the next step is going to be to fill the letters, do a little bit of sanding, but fill in the letters with something dark so that you can actually see this sign when you're on a driveway or something like that. Now, it was supposed to be double-sided, but as you can see, we had a problem. So maybe we can go, they don't live here, and then we could have the side that says they do live here. I don't know. I'll have to figure that one out. Alright, what we're going to attempt to do is use this red mahogany, really dark stain to fill in the letters and the numbers here. Now, I think that if I put it in there, it should wipe off of the light gray. But I guess we'll find out here. I guess I could take the whole thing off, but we're not going to. We're going to just send it. So I did a thing. I made myself this little paintbrush out of a bigger paintbrush and some tape. And we're going to see if this is going to work for us, because I was finding that the little rag that I have here wasn't doing it the best. Alright, so let's try this. Yeah. Well, there you have it, my friends. The sign is complete. I'm pretty stoked with how it turned out. Disclosure. This is the side that didn't work. I have no idea what happened, why my 0 got all screwed up, but yeah, so that was attempt 1. And this is attempt 2. And I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with it. And that is a wrap for the house sign build. Here it is. Once again, I'm pretty stoked with how it just all came together. There were many lessons to be learned. Double check your 0, triple check your 0, quadruple check your 0, people, because the last thing you want is that. But if you triple check your 0 and make sure that all your settings are correct, you should end up with a product that you're pretty happy with. So stay tuned for the next episode. Keep carving, stay safe, and I will catch you next time.